Excuse me. Where are you going? I'm lost. Are you lost?
Don't answer that. Don't humor him. He thinks he invented navigating.
Well, actually,
There were maps for hundreds of years before you.
the maps are the simple one. But, my friends, how did you know where you are on the map? Not so simple. Navigation was the great scientific challenge of our time.
Oh, sure, it's over here some... Hello? Hello? Man, battery. Whoa, what the...
She has no idea.
This, young lady, is the time and navigation exhibition.
Navigation? A whole exhibit? Why? Just look at your phone. Anyone can do it.
So are you lost?
The battery's dead.
Right, a telephone that gives directions. So how did you navigate?
We used a sextant and a chronometer.
A chronometer? You mean a clock?
Yes, a chronometer. That was the key. Let's say you're lost in the middle of an immense ocean. Waves to the left, waves to the right. How do you know where you are? Well,
You're asking me?
let me borrow this. Latitude and longitude. Latitude was easy. Those are the lines like this, steps on a ladder. North, south. Just use your sextant, find the North Star, measure how high it is above the horizon. That shows degrees latitude north of the Earth's equator.
That sounds simple.
Certain, but this one, east-west, longitude, impossible. Until someone thought of using a clock.
A clock?
That's the cool one.
The Earth spins, right?
Right.
One day, how much does it spin?
Everybody knows that. It goes once around. A circle. 360 degrees.
Exactly. So if you divide that by 24 hours a day, every hour, the Earth turns 15 degrees.
Okay, but I still don't get it.
Well, let's say you set sail west at noon, with the sun overhead. After several days sailing west, the sun's now overhead again, but your clock says 1, not noon. How far west are you?
No idea.
1 hour is
15 degrees.
exactly. Our difference, 15 degrees west.
Each extra hour, another 50 degrees.
Like time zones.
So the time, the place you left, and the time where you are now, figure out your position. You might just make it home.
Now imagine you're flying.
Why?
Right. We use sextants and chronometers too, just much
Aiden.
smaller. Less room in a plane. Because we're moving faster, we have to figure things out quicker. Less margin for error, but the basic idea is the same.
Like a bird in the cloud.
Yeah. New clouds are why we added something new. Radio signals from ground stations to tell us our positions. But when you're flying hundreds of miles an hour, you can't wait for the clouds to clear.
I'm speechless.
Now imagine traveling down
No plane can go that fast.
higher
Rockets, are you insane?
travel through space.
Like Flash Gordon.
Flash who?
It's one thing to navigate from the surface of the Earth. Now imagine having to do it in 3 minutes. Navigating a spacecraft or an interplanetary probe out in the ocean. We use sextants too, and radio signals. But over millions of miles, your timings have to be way more precise. Enter the atomic clock. Radio station all over the Earth, all synchronized at the same time.
In our day, every city kept its own time.
Absolutely. And a good thing it is. For us out in the field, navigation is life or death. So now we use satellites.
What kind of lights?
We have over 2 dozen navigation satellites up there in the sky, all synchronized with precise atomic clocks. Because the distance of each satellite changes depending on our location, signals from different satellites are clocked just millions of a second apart. Computers crunch the numbers and give us our exact coordinates anywhere on Earth.
Wait, that's GPS, right?
Right, but instead of coordinates, your phone displays maps, so people find their way around.
Everyone navigates now?
Well, sure, you gotta know where you're going.
It doesn't take special training. Well, we had to go through weeks of training.
Well, it does come with a manual, but no one ever reads that.
In my day, everyone didn't have all those instruments.
Right, but back in your day, how many ships were there? Today, we have billions of people in cars, boats, planes. We all need to get to places.
So what you're saying is that all navigators now?
I guess so.
vers le chac.
You want to know where you are?
Tick, tick, tick.
Du fait que Allemagne, enfin l'Allemagne c'est une dure fois.
I guess I gotta go.
Puis je trouve. Allemagne, je crois.
Well,
Non,
that's
non,
the
mais je veux
visiting
dire,
staff.
non, mais moi j'ai eu.
We'd probably be stuck right here in these frames anyway.
Right, but you have no idea where that is.
I guess that's true.
By the way, tickets and things, cool stuff is that way.
No, no, it's that.
Actually,